Hi and what's up everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you a very delicious and easy way to cook minced meat because I always have delicious recipes. So let's get started. Place a pan on medium heat. You can use a pan or a pot. So I'm going to add some cooking oil to my pan. Then I'll add my onions. So I'm using a cast iron for this recipe. So you'll cook your onions until soft. So I'm using 1 large onion. Continue stirring. So my onions are ready. I'm going to add my crushed garlic and ginger. So I'm using 3 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger. You can use a mortar and pestle to crush, or you can crush using your grater, whichever way. So I'll cook this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute or until fragrant. So I'll add my minced meat at this point. So you're going to use your spatula to break off the lumps in the meat. Continue stirring. When stirring, you make sure that your meat doesn't have lumps in it from the minced meat. So also I'll be adding my carrots at this point because carrots usually take a little bit longer to cook. Continue stirring. So this is after about 1 minute. As you can see, my meat is releasing its own water. So just continue stirring. So I'm using about half a kg of minced meat. That I got from my local butchery. So at this point, I'm going to add my spices. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. So I'm going to add this in my skillet. So I'm also using my beef stock cube. Stir. So I'm adding 2 diced tomatoes. Some courgettes or zucchini. Stir. And you're going to let this cook until your tomatoes are well cooked. To this, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt. Stir in the salt And then I'll add my green capsicum. I'm loving the aromas in my kitchen right now. You guys, you better try out this recipe. I love adding vegetables to my minced meat because they're so healthy and actually so good for you. They're so good for you. So you try to add vegetables to your minced beef or any dish you're cooking. Because once in a while we forget to eat vegetables, and this is a very nice way to incorporate some vegetables in your meals. To this I'm going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste and corn. So I realized I had some corn going bad on my fridge, so I decided to use it on this recipe. More vegetables. So now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water to help us cook our vegetables through. That is about half a cup of water. Stir. After about 15 minutes, my minced meat is ready and it's looking delicious, and I'm already salivating. Yeah, I am. So you can have this dish with rice or noodles, spaghetti. Trust me, it's going to be so good. So if you're new here, thank you so much. Welcome to Infoods, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload my videos. I upload weekly, and also don't forget to like, share with a friend, tell her or him about Infoods. I would really appreciate that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next episode. Ciao.